Daina Trout, CEO and co-founder of Health-Ade Kombucha. Happy to be here. Before this interview, I was on a call with my board, which feels like something I do every single week for about an hour, talking about how we're going to get in this next round of investment. And before that, I was downing a huge iced tea hibiscus from Groundworks. Go in knowing what you want to get out of it. So not kind of like mishmashing your way through, but actually being like, here are the things I want to get out of it. And then asking somebody to be a timekeeper is huge too. A hot bubble bath is something I take almost daily. Experience, qualification, and like prior acquired capital really has nothing to do with success. See, if you had said with me somewhere else, I would have said pomegranate because that's my go-to flavor. But a desert made me think of jalapeno kiwi cucumber. Ooh. Yeah, because in a desert I would also probably have mezcal. And then I would put them together. When you're home with your kid, be with your kid 100%. I don't think it's realistic that you can have work-life balance every day. Here's kind of how I view it. You pick all the buckets in your life that are important to you. Okay, so for me, that's I want to have a good career, be a good CEO, I want to be a good mom, good wife, and then good to myself, and like good with friends and family and stuff too. So I got like 5 or 6 buckets. And then you got to imagine that you drill a hole, or you fill these up with water, and then you drill a hole into each of them. So they're depleting water. The bucket has a hole, dear Liza. And if you just feed one bucket, that one will stay replenished and the others will eventually suffer because they'll become depleted so much that they're empty, and if they're empty long enough, they'll just go away. So my advice to people that are seeking work-life balance, which my guess is everyone out there, is first you gotta define your buckets and limit it to what is important to you. It doesn't have to be everything. Like spirituality isn't as important to me maybe as someone else. They might have a spirituality bucket. And then recognize that you've gotta fill all these buckets in a period of time or they'll die off because what you feed grows. So my advice is in a month, feed each of those. In a week, feed each of those. But to expect that every single day I'm gonna be a good CEO, a good mom, a good wife, good to my friends and family, and God damn it, have dinner on the table by 7 p.m. And a bath, probably not gonna happen. And if you set up that expectation, you're gonna feel like you're failing every day because it's impossible to do. But what's possible is in a week, I can be good at all those things and give a little bit of water to each of them. Certainly in a month. Definitely a big ass water bottle filled with water. I drink kind of an insane amount of water. My sister calls me a camel. Actually, it's 2 things. My people are freaking amazing. I have 225 employees right now. I feel so blessed that they are on this ship with me and like rowing strong at the same destination that I am. So that's definitely number 1. But also I really enjoy going to work. Like I have so much to do and accomplish, and it requires so much of me. It demands a lot out of every part of my intellect, like not just one. There's something really fulfilling about having that ahead of me in a day and then coming home and being like, tired as a dog, but like I did it.